Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn this very quick and easy chain loop flower that is super duper easy and very quick, and it looks really beautiful and you can use it to decorate any of your project or any of your thing you like. So let's get started. Some yarn, a hook, a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle, and a button to sew in the center of the flower. So let's get started. To begin, we are going to chain 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have made the chain 30, and now leaving this second two stitches, two chains from the hook, so 1 and 2. Into the third one we are going to make a double crochet, and now we are going to make double crochet all the way across, only one double crochet in each of the chain. After finishing the row of double crochets all the way across along the chain, we are now going to chain 2 and turn our work. 1 and 2, and we are now going to turn. Next, what we have to do, we have to make double crochet twice, like 2 double crochet. This is the first double crochet and now the second double crochet. We are going to work 2 double crochet in each of the stitch. 1 double crochet, and this is second double crochet. 1 double crochet, and this is the second double crochet. In this way we are going to continue till the end of this row. Okay, so I am here on my last stitch of this row, and in this also we are going to make 2 double crochets. This is the first double crochet and this is the second double crochet. Moving on, now we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 chains. Turn your work and slip stitch into the very next chain, very next stitch. We are on the last round of our flower, our chain loop flower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and we are going to do a slip stitch into the very next stitch. like this. 1 2 3 4 5. So here I am on the last stitch of my last row. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and this is the last loop, chain loop that I am making, and this is the last stitch of the row. And here we go, we have finished the working of our flower. Now it's the assembling of it, and that's super cool, super duper easy. So now what I do is leave a short tail of yarn and cut the yarn like this. And now what are we going to do is needle your thread, now what you have to do, this is the right side of our flower. What are we going to do is start folding our flower in this way, like this. You can hold the flower like this and start rolling it. Once you have rolled your flower, now what you have to do is you are now going to hold it together. You are now going to hold it together and take this tail at the end of your work like this, and sew it. Just give some good stitches so that it's attaches together properly. Just pass it through few times so the stitches are properly done. Once you have done this, now it's time to attach a fancy button in the center of our flower. So for that you can use any sort of button you want. I am using this fancy button in the front. We are now going to attach this to our flower. Once it's properly fixed, now we are going to fasten off our yarn, and that's it. And our flower is ready. You can put it on your frock, you can put it on your work or any decoration. You can also use it as decorating your gifts. So thank you so much for watching. If you really like my videos, please give thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and also click the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever the new video is uploaded. Thank you so much. Have a great day.